Hello! My big, very small present just arrived. Curious? Let me show you. Let's go! Yes, an Insta Go. It's this size. It's my new camera because my GoPro, it's number 4, it's old, and the stabilization, you know, it gets so bumpy, it bothers me. So as a birthday present, my friends from tennis and my personal friends got together and got me a new camera. And I'm gonna try it on tomorrow. But the thing is, I did a dental procedure. I'm not supposed to ride, at least not fast. I can do it. We go slowly now. I'll show you all the little nice places. Let me show you. Let's open it. Waterproof, auto editing. I'll do the editing, but anyway. Mount anywhere. Flow state. Hands-free. Hyperlapse. Slow motion. Remote control. And Wi-Fi preview. Let's open it. It comes with a storage, that's a battery also, with a mount that can mount anywhere, and it's also a tripod. So neat. And it comes with a head mount, so I can mount it in my cap. Oh, I like this. That's neat. I like it. I like new toys. Because what happened is, I'm a photographer, and with the new lens, you got a new view of the surroundings, you know? When I look at something, I always try to find out which lens would be better for that place, for that moment, for that light. So let's try this on. Ooh, amazing. Look the size of this. It's the size of my thumb. Actually, I think smaller. No, it's right the size of my thumb. Is that cool? And it's magnetic, so yeah. You can imagine, Brompton is made of steel, so I can get this here and put in my Brompton. Is that cool? Got some nice shots, great angles. Look at it. It comes with a head mount. This here, you put in any place that's thin. So it's like the cap. This is magnetic, so it goes like this. And you take it out and put it back and take it out and put it in the bike and put it, you know, oh, it's gonna be fun. This is the little case. Is that cool? And they're very smart because you know what they do? In the case, they did like a tripod. So you put your camera here and you put as a tripod. Is that neat? And it's not just a case. When you put it here, it charges. So actually it's written in Japanese. I won't understand it. So let's read the manual and start using it. So tomorrow morning, oh, by the way, let me tell you, I did this dental procedure. So if tomorrow it's a big thing, because he said that tomorrow will be a big, big mouth. So don't worry, okay? I'm not gonna film myself. I'm just gonna film around and you're gonna hear me, okay? Let's read the manual. I'm a girl that reads manual. Yes, I am. I like to read manuals. Okay, I'm gonna read it for tomorrow. Do a great, small, very small and short ride. Is that what the doctor allowed me to? Let's wait for tomorrow. This little thing. My new camera. I like it. You can put it here. And you can put this here. And then you can put in your helmet. The great thing is that you can put it from here to here. And when I move it like this, isn't that cool? The horizon is straight. See? And the stabilization, it's so much better than GoPro. At least my GoPro. Mine's an old GoPro. It's a section 4. Too old, right? Well, that's what I had. So let's go for a ride. Yes.
Alright, okay, I'll do that now.
Thanks, alright.
You know what? This is killing me because I'm not supposed to go over 120 heartbeats per minute, so I have to go very slowly. But okay, we're outside, we're having fun, but that speed is killing me. Yes, I like to go fast. It's so slow. That's just right. Better out than stay in. Creative places that you can place your little go-to in a brook. I'll get my Velcro, it's always here, and place it here. One thing that I always want to show you, and I could never do it. Show you how my automatic suspension works. Right? You don't have to touch it. That's cool. I like it. Light. And suddenly dark. Okay, one thing that I think is so neat about this little camera, and thank you guys for my birthday present. I love it. It's this. What is in my head chest? Now it's in my hand. And now it's in my head. And the horizon is straight. Isn't that fabulous? So with this camera, I can get better footage for you guys and a lot more footage. Not a lot more because the battery lasts 30 minutes without the case. If you leave it in the case, because the case charges the camera, if you leave it in the case, it lasts 120 minutes. It's a lot more, but if you're filming, you cannot really leave it in the case. Another thing is the internal storage. So it's only 32 gigabytes. I use this camera as a B-roll. What is a B-roll? The main roll I film with my Note 10 or my Note 20, and this one is just little things like when I'm riding, when I'm doing small things, get closer, you know. So as a B-roll, we'll be fine, I think. You're wondering what's happening here? Yeah, our last mayor didn't pay attention to this beautiful bike path. And people start stealing parts. Terrible, isn't it? I love this place. love it. Well, that was my first impressions about this Insta Go Gym. I'm still a little chubby, and as I use it, I'll do a better video telling you about. Thank you, my friends. I love my birthday present. It was great. Thank you. Bye bye.